Hey everyone, what we want to do today is walk you through changing out the water panel on your evaporative humidifier. Now this is super easy to do, but it's always nice to have a video to guide you. So without further ado, let's get started. To do this, we're going to need to remove the cover. Got to press this tab right here. That will unlock the cover. Cover will rotate right off. Set this aside. This gives us access to our water panel. We're going to need to remove the feed tube. Set this off to the side as well, it just gets in your way. Now that the feed tube is out of the way, we have access to the water panel housing. To get this out, grab these two tabs here, pull it forward, you'll hear a snap, that means everything's released, and you can lift the water panel housing completely out. Now we need to make some decisions. Take a look at this housing. Is it in good condition? Is the scale insert at the top still good? If any of these things look like they're corroded or just plain nasty to you, get an entire new maintenance kit. This entire piece will be replaced and you're going to be in great shape. But if this still looks good, then we'll just change out the water panel. Let's show you how to do that now. Okay, so to remove this scale insert tray, we're just going to squeeze this assembly together. That allows us to pop this tray right out. Take out the other side, and now we have access to our water panel. You just turn it upside down, slide the entire panel out, throw it away. Grab a new panel. Make sure that your markings are to the top. These markings mean this side up, so make sure these markings are going to the top of the water panel tray. Slide in, markings up. Grab your tray, slide this right back in, snaps in left, snap it on the right. You're ready to reinsert your entire housing back in your humidifier. So, a couple of things to take note of here. Number one, drain side down, and then number two, we're inserting the water panel the right way. We can tell because we've got the cutout for the feed tube here and the backstop so that the feed tube is in for the correct amount of distance. Bottom part goes into the drain. Water panel snaps into place. Now we have to reinsert our feed tube. Now, take a look. There is a little hole on the top of your distribution tray that this feed tube feeds right through. You'll press it back. You'll feel a natural place where it stops. At that point, you just re-secure your feed tube to your humidifier, grab your cover, put your cover back on your humidifier, two snaps, one up top, one at the bottom, and you are all set for a new humidifier season.